Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執少 Joseph Lin right here. And this month we're teaching you the phrase "not yet" 还没啊，因为很多时候可能是什么事情还没做啦，还是这个雨怎么还没停啊，
对呀，
还是这个还没到啦，这种都可以是还没 "not yet"。
很忙
啊，没有忙了，
不是忙啦，要睡醒了，不可以昏昏沉沉，已经睡醒了。
All right, that means not yet. Okay, now let's put you in a scenario where you haven't eaten. 其实有时候工作忙啊，就会还没吃饭。
对呀，
对身体不好，
忙到都忘了吃。
那我们现在来教大家一个对话，就是问说你吃饱了没？还没吃饭，因为工作太忙的呢，好不好？你吃饱了吗 ？Have you eaten yet?
吃饱嘛
吃饱嘛 ，OK，吃饱的话就是饱了，我就饱，不要再给我吃了。
对，但是呢，吃饱嘛，
吃饱嘛，
吃饱嘛就问人家说吃饱没
？OK，so 饱 means full， 吃饱 means have eaten full，but have you eaten full? Have you eaten yet? Basically， 那我刚刚讲嘛，很多时候工作太忙了，就会说
忘了吃饭。
我工作现在都还没吃饭呢，怎么说呢？
挨做些都呀哈，
挨做些都呀哈，
都很忙吃饭呢。
哦，都很忙吃饭呢。OK， 吃饭就是吃饭嘛。
对
，that means have a meal or eat。
那海陆腔的吃饭，吃饭。
哦，对，这好像有教过哎，吃饭。
吃饭。
吃饭 ，that's a different dialect. Okay, to say I've eaten something. 然后很忙就是我们刚刚讲的还没嘛。So 工作就是
做些，
工作就是做些。That means I've been working and I haven't had the chance to eat my meal yet. Okay.
但是常常人家都说，再忙也要休息呀。
真的啦，
休息去吃一下才有精神。
身体重要，精神好才能好好 focus 嘛。
对
OK， 那再忙也要休息一下，怎么说呢？
高卡莫汗，
高卡莫汗。
ไม่อ้อยเหียด坤一下，
ไม่อ้อยเหียด坤一下 ，OK， เหียด坤就是休息，对不对？เหียด坤 that means 休息 ，that means to get some rest or to eat a little bit. And no matter how busy you are， 就是高卡莫汗，
就是再忙啦。
再忙 ，no matter how busy you are, you should take a break. Okay, let's review some of these phrases such as to work 工作。
做些
and then you got to eat 吃饭
吃饭
that's right. And don't forget, the whole phrase is about not yet, okay? 还没怎么说？
很忙
Now you know, and that does today's Practical Hakka.
什么太高？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.